Hi friends, today I'm going to show the things related to the route map creation in Google Maps using the Excel file. Actually, it was created by my friend VR. Uh, I took those Excel file and I learned from him. Now I'm making the video on that. Okay, let's start. So first of all, you need these things. Okay, individual KML files, because KML file should not be more than 5 MB. Okay, so that's why I bifurcated the things, and one Excel file is there. Okay, that is CSV, that must be in CSV format. Okay, wait, I will open that. Now see, so this should be arranged in some standard format. uh, there is no issue if you shift the, what to say, columns, but latitude and longitude should be side by side, and xy also side by side. Remaining details you can shift. First one is chainages, and then FRL, and then OGL. After that, crossfall details. Next, easting and northing. These two are very important. These normally, this report you will get it from MX or Civil 3D, from any software. And one thing is that XY should be in latitude and longitude also. Okay, that you can convert it from various sources. Online sources are there. From there you can get it. Okay, once this Excel sheet is prepared, there is no issue. You have to save it in a format. For now I am going to open the maps. Go to maps, then click, just go to your places, and then your places maps, then on the down, create a map. Just click on the create a map. Then see, here it will open a left tab. Okay. Before that I'm closing this. One thing is sure, it must be CSV format. Okay, that's it. Save it. Now go to import option. See, here various options are there: CSV, KML, and GPX. So I'm just importing the CSV first. Okay, just open, uploading. Here these two columns should be selected, because from these only place marks shall be placed. So latitude and longitude. So I'm just selecting. After that, chainage. Okay, that's it. Now I'll go to, wait, it's taking loading. See, it has created a pins. Okay, throughout the location. See, this is awesome actually. FRL values and OGL, and what is the crossfall, and then easting and northing values, everything. You can add a photo also from, if you have. Okay, and then you can edit those values also if anything changing. Okay, this is very useful. Okay, while going for a, what to say, road inventory surveys and all those things. Now I can rename also. See, change details. Done. Now again add layer. Now I am going to add the carriage center line and carriage way, all those, but it is in not in CSV. Now I am directly importing KML. See, center line will be displayed here. That's it. See, now center line also get displayed. Okay, once you have this, I'm just renaming the thing. That's it. Now over. Now again I am adding a layer. Okay, before adding that layer, I just want to show the things. I want to display the chain edge, so that can be possible just clicking the unifying style. Okay, that's it. Now we'll go to add layer, again import, now carriageway KML. Okay, you can import entire KML also, but size should be less than 5 MB, like that. Okay, let's wait. Let's zoom it. See, carriageway lines has been displayed. Okay, this will be very useful for road inventory, or else what to say, uh, execution time. Now again I am importing the shoulder. There is no requirement of third parties. See, now just is shoulders also displayed. What I want to say, that there is no requirement of third party apps to for site visit, KML file, all those things. Now I am just making a name for this entire layers. Okay, road project, map with details. Based on your current location, it will show where exactly carriageway edge is there, all those things. Okay, now let's see. Really, this is very good option. Just explore it. Main thing is you have to bifurcate. Okay, and that Excel sheet should be there, because to show the details, this chain edges, FRL, OGL, and easting and northing, and latitude and longitude. Okay, that's it.